Hello dear students, welcome to our online school. My full name is Pалмахан Шолпан. The theme of the lesson, greetings and the classroom activities. Today you will learn to make dialogue and you will revise the classroom activities. Today you will learn to make a dialogue and you will revise the classroom activities. Okay. Next, read the dialogue. Good morning, Aydar. Hi, Dana. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Not bad. I'm late. Bye. Goodbye. Make the dialogue between Sam and Elena using the following questions. What's your name? How are you? And how old are you? Now peoples, let's read the dialogue. Hello, I'm Sam. What's your name? My name is Helena. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Listen and repeat. Say this sentence in your language. Read. Read. Listen. Listen. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. Come to the board, please. Come to the board, please. Open your books. Open your books. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Say this sentence in your language. Read. Listen. Be quiet, please. Come to the board, please. Open your books. Sit down. Stand up, please. Now, peoples, let's say classroom activities. Read. Listen. Be quiet, please. Come to the board, please. Open your books. Sit down, please. Stand up, please.
Umbrella Kid.
Classroom language 1. The teacher. Students. Listen up. Listen. Listen to the CD. Listen to the conversation. Repeat. Look at. Read. Read the text. Read the book. Write. Answer. Respond. Open the book. Open the book to page. Close the book. Work in pairs. Work in groups. Do you understand? Got it?
Okay. Today we have learned about greetings and classroom activities. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.